Theta cost pretty equivalent to $0.8381 a coin, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.8271-0.8420 in an especially large way. The earlier day close, 0.8400 in a kind of significant way. The change in a real sense was 0.0019, 0.23% in an unobtrusive way. Backwards rate, USD to Theta, or so they for the most part thought. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.85. Lovely most extreme 0.91. In every way that really matters, least 0.79 in an unobtrusive way. Theta figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.85. Truly greatest 0.91. In every way that really matters, least 0.79, which sort of is genuinely critical. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.81, really greatest 0.87, least 0.75, which fundamentally is very critical. Theta gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.82, kind of greatest 0.88, for the most part least 0.76 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $0.81, sort of greatest 0.87, in every way that really matters, least 0.75, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. In multi-week Theta estimate on Monday, June 12, cost $0.83, really greatest 0.89, least 0.77, which by and large is very huge. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.84, sort of greatest 0.90, extremely least 0.78 in an unpretentious way. Theta gauge on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.84, genuinely most extreme 0.90, exceptionally least 0.78 amazingly. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.84, genuinely most extreme 0.90, beautiful least 0.78, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta estimate on Friday, June 16, cost $0.81, genuinely most extreme 0.87, really least 0.75 in a kind of significant manner. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $0.83, sort of greatest 0.89, genuinely least 0.77, which generally is very huge. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.83, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.89, sort of least 0.77, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.79, lovely greatest 0.85, especially least 0.73 in an unpretentious way. Theta figure on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.77, extremely greatest 0.82, kind of least 0.72 in a sort of significant manner. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost $0.77, genuinely most extreme 0.82, by and large least 0.72, which is very huge. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.79, especially most extreme 0.85, essentially least 0.73, which certainly is very critical. Theta estimate on Friday, June 30, cost $0.78, sort of most extreme 0.83, by and large least 0.73, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $0.77, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.82, all things considered, least 0.72 in a genuinely significant way. Theta figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.79, especially greatest 0.85, exceptionally least 0.73, so Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.84, certainly most extreme 0.90, by and large least 0.78 in a significant manner. Dollar to Theta gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 1.176 coins. For the most part greatest 1.266, kind of least 1.099 in an unpretentious way. USD to Theta forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.176 coins, kind of greatest 1.266, sort of least 1.099. Showing how today, S-reach, 1.1876 minus 1.2090 in a genuinely huge way. Dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.235 coins, essentially most extreme 1.333, sort of least 1.149, or so they really thought. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.220 coins. Essentially most extreme 1.316, sort of least 1.136 incredibly. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, June 9, cost 1.235 coins, kind of greatest 1.333, genuinely least 1.149, which for the most part is genuinely huge. In multi-week USD to Theta expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 1.205 coins, sort of most extreme 1.299, kind of least 1.124, which in every practical sense shows that in about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost $0.77, truly greatest 0.82, genuinely least 0.72 in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to Theta gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.190 coins, truly greatest 1.282, lovely least 1.111. Further appearance how in 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, June 26, cost $0.76, essentially most extreme 0.81, certainly least 0.71, exhibiting how Theta estimate on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.83, truly greatest 0.89, sort of least 0.77. USD to Theta expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1.190 coins, truly greatest 1.282, certainly least 1.111. So Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.84, really most extreme 0.90, kind of least 0.78, which generally is very huge. Dollar to Theta estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost 1.190 coins, really greatest 1.282, beautiful least 1.111, which in a real sense is very huge. USD to Theta forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 1.235 coins, exceptionally greatest 1.333, least 1.149, or so they for the most part thought. In about 14 days dollar to Theta gauge on Monday, June 19, cost 1.205 coins, genuinely greatest 1.299, most certainly least 1.124, exhibiting that in about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost $0.83, greatest 0.89, really least 0.77. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.205 coins, for the most part greatest 1.299, beautiful least 1.124 in a very enormous way. Dollar to Theta estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.266 coins, especially greatest 1.370, especially least 1.176 in a for the most part significant manner. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 1.299 coins, especially most extreme 1.389, certainly least 1.220, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Theta gauge on Friday, June 23, cost 1.299 coins, lovely greatest 1.389, by and large least 1.220,